last quick examination of a company called ISA Holdings, Information Security Architects. It's a prominent provider in the local market of these network, internet, and information security businesses. The company is kind of family controlled as well. Fairly modest market capitalization here, well below 200 million. It's 136, in fact. There you go. Price earnings ratio 10.38. It has a dividend policy, which is typical of family companies, of paying a dividend when it feels like it, but it's not consistent, right?
No.
Every now and then they sort of do something, sell a building, and then there's some money, or they have a purple patch. But as far as the company is concerned, it's a good niche, right? There's a lot of this kind of obsession in large corporates to having more secure networks.
Oh yes, I mean the cyber security is a massive growth industry. I think the challenge that this business has is it competes really on a global stage.
Yeah.
Because this kind of security, you want to buy the best of breed if you're a company. There's a lot of commerce that happens in the virtual world.
But they are agents for some of the global players like RSA and so on as well.
Yes, so I think that's most probably their best bet. They won't get that big rating because they're only agents and they don't have the IP. So maybe that's the quid pro quo of that. But certainly I would think it'd be better to try compete on that level than with their own technology. It's a difficult space. The level of sophistication of these hackers is incredible. There are these cyber attacks that happen all the time, and big names globally have been attacked, and the banks in South Africa.
There's the graph. So a little bit wobbly, a little bit up and down, a little all over the show. So it's trading at around 80 cents a share. Clifford Katz is the family. He's the CEO. It's his family that are the dominant shareholders here. I guess that's what you'd expect with a company with that kind of market cap, though. It does fine, but it's a little bit tricky. Stock's not all that liquid and so on.
Yeah, and its performance has been also mixed. It hasn't been consistent. So a little bit of and a really small market cap. So quite difficult. You'd ask maybe should it really be listed, this company?
So we're going to go with not hot on this one.
Not hot.
Not a sign that we don't think it's a solid operator, but perhaps just from a general investment point of view, not for the mass public to necessarily consider.